I'm Purple XP Drywall, and I can help protect your investment from disastrous mold and mildew.
Ugh, just what I'm doing right now. Just hanging.
Your new bathroom should be your oasis, not a middle school petri dish.
For less rock and roll and more peace and quiet, install me, Purple Soundbreak Drywall.
Smell that mold and mildew? Me neither. That's because the homeowners installed me, Purple XP Drywall.
Guess what's behind all this? Me, Purple XP Drywall, and not mold and mildew.
You'll wake the baby.